Many people want to know if installing wheel spacers will negatively impact the Ford Mustang incredible handling and ride quality. The good news is that installing properly fitted, high-quality wheel spacers on your Ford Mustang will improve the handling, ride comfort, or performance. That's why Ford Mustang wheel spacers don't cause issues, as long as the wheel spacers match your Ford Mustang bolt pattern and couple. It will position the wheels precisely where they need to be without disrupting alignment. Reputable wheel spacer manufacturers pay close attention to these specifications. Improperly installed spacers can throw off your wheel's balance, leading to vibration in the steering wheel and chassis. Hub-centric Ford Mustang wheel spacer can maintain properly balanced. Installed hub-centric Ford Mustang wheel spacers will be safer. Generally, hub-centric Ford Mustang wheel spacers are designed with a hub-centric ring in the center that fits perfectly on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the lug nut can hold it first against the mounting plate. These wheel spacers allow the wheel to be supported the Ford Mustang weight better and fill the gap for a tight fit, providing a minimum chance of vibration. BONOSS Ford Mustang wheel spacers have a multi-stage hub-centric design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage hub-centric design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the BONOSS Ford Mustang wheel spacers can also be rear-decorated with different data, providing the owners with more choice. Besides, the BONOSS Sport Active Cooling Ford Mustang wheel spacers are designed with heat extraction grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in pedal shape. These grooves allow the thermal cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches. They are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat displacement effect and incredible safety. Overall, high-quality Ford Mustang wheel spacers properly installed have little effect on ride quality for most daily driving. As always, quality Ford Mustang wheel spacers will enhance ride quality.
No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.